What's going on, guys? So Eric here with the Migrated Professional team, and today we're in Manvel, Texas, and I'm here to showcase a beautiful new construction home built by no other than Prairie Homes. Now this house is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath property that is great because you're in Manvel, which is about 25 minutes away from the city, so you get a lot of calm and quiet, and also you can drive back into the city if you want to get back into the middle of the action. What I like about this house is it feels open, but also feels cozy at the same time, which is great, especially if you want to be more intimate with your family. Now, about this community, so we are in the Pomona subdivision, and they have community centers, they have pools, they have daycare facilities for your loved ones, essentially your young kiddos. That way they could be seen while you're out working and hustling. So without further ado, I don't want to talk your ear off. Let's go on with the property home tour. All right, guys, so that essentially sums up the property home tour. Now, guys, this house in Manvel, Texas is amazing. The great thing I like about this is it feels cozy but open in the same breath. And I feel like this would be a great opportunity for anyone that maybe wanted to move out the city to get some quiet calm, but also be in driving distance or within driving distance to actually be in the middle of all the action. But guys, tell me what you like about the property. Leave some comments below, drop some comments. Did you like how staged the property is? Do you like how cozy it feels? I wanna know what you guys think. Drop some comments. Also, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and like that like button, smash that like button, do whatever you need to do to that like button, show some love. This will really help the YouTube algorithm out a lot and I will greatly appreciate it. Also, go ahead and subscribe. The greatest thing about this is it's free to you at no charge. And also, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and watch this video here of another luxurious property that you may like. But I'll see you next video. Peace.